Ask, believe, receive. If you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. You have to understand, you are a magnet. Whatever you are, that's what you draw to you.
I believe that how you think, and I teach my kids this, your thoughts create your life. And so you have to think positive thoughts all the time. You have to force yourself to think positive thoughts at times.
What we really want seems impossibly out of reach and ridiculous to expect, so we never dare to ask the universe for it.
We were talking about like making music, like we were like, what if we made music together? And he goes, I'm gonna make you the biggest pop star in the world.
Embark with us on a captivating journey as we unravel the mysteries of the law of attraction, an extraordinary universal principle that has shaped the lives of many. Throughout this video, we'll share invaluable insights and demonstrate how you too can wield this powerful force to manifest your deepest desires. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets and techniques that will enable you to unlock your full potential. For centuries, ancient cultures have understood the power of the law of attraction. The Egyptians, for example, believed that by focusing on a desired outcome, they could bring it into existence. The same principle can be found in the teachings of the Buddha, who emphasized the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. As we journey through history, we'll uncover more examples of this powerful force at work, demonstrating its timeless relevance and importance. In the modern era, many successful individuals have harnessed the power of the law of attraction to manifest their dreams and achieve incredible results. Bob Proctor, Joe Dispenza, Tony Robbins, and even Lady Gaga have all tapped into this universal principle to create abundance, happiness, and success in their lives. As we explore their stories, you'll begin to see the limitless potential that lies within each of us, waiting to be unlocked.
It's sort of like a mantra. It's kind of, you repeat it to yourself every day. Music is my life. Music is my life. The fame is inside of me. I'm going to make a #1 record and with #1 hits. And it's not yet. It's a lie. You're saying a lie over and over and over again. And then one day, the lie is true.
I'm gonna write a script, and I can see it in my head. I can see me and my band dancing and gold everywhere and women screaming for me when I do interviews.
That things that I repetitively think about or say, I'm able to manifest. Like, this house, for example, I manifested this.
As we venture deeper into the world of the law of attraction, we'll learn the practical steps and exercises that can help you harness its power. Visualization is a crucial component of this practice. By creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome, you can begin to attract it into your life. We'll provide examples of how to effectively visualize your goals, whether it's a new job, a loving relationship, or a healthier lifestyle.
You'd have to change your personality, which means you'd have to start thinking about what you've been thinking about and change it. You'd have to become aware of your unconscious habits and behaviors and even what you say and modify them. So most people try to create a new personal reality as the same personality, and it doesn't work. We literally have to become someone else. In other words, thoughts are the language of the brain, and feelings are the language of the body. And how you think and how you feel creates a state of being.
Daily affirmations are another powerful tool for manifesting your desires. By repeating positive statements to yourself, you can reprogram your subconscious mind and cultivate a mindset of abundance.
First of all, clearly understand this. Nothing is created or destroyed. That means everything's already here. If not in one state, certainly in another. Start to see yourself mentally. You've been given the faculties to do that. Use your imagination. See yourself already in possession of the good you desire. And know it's only a period of time until you moving toward it and it moving toward you, and you become one with it.
We'll share specific examples of affirmations that you can incorporate into your daily routine, as well as tips on when and where to practice them for maximum effect. Meditation is also essential for aligning your thoughts and emotions with your intentions. We'll explore different meditation techniques that can help you tap into the power of the law of attraction and uncover the optimal frequency for manifesting your desires.
Now, the latest research in neuroscience says you can change your brain just by thinking. So then, as you begin to think about a new possibility, and your brain begins to fire in new sequences and new patterns and new combinations, and you begin to plan your behaviors, and you begin to review in your mind, mentally rehearse who you're going to be in your life.
Consistency is key when practicing the law of attraction. By dedicating time each day to visualization, affirmations, and meditation, you can begin to create lasting change in your life.
And the great thing about habit is you don't have to think. So I don't know about you, but the first time I tried to drive a stick shift car when I was a little kid, it's like I'm supposed to do this, watch the rearview mirror, and it's too much. Yeah. But once you learn it, most of driving, 99% of it's habits, so now your brain is free to do other things. That's the value of making something habitual. The weakness of making it habitual is you don't grow, right? The weakness of making it habitual is you don't feel fully alive. So it's like you got to find that balance in your life.
As we discuss the ideal frequency and duration of these practices, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how to effectively implement them into your daily routine.
You have an imaginary line right across here, and that separates the conscious mind from the subconscious mind wide open, and everything that was going on around it went right in there. And all the energy that went in there when you were just a little baby formed something called a paradigm. It's a multitude of habits. You are the product of your environment, but prior to that, you were the product of a genetic strain that goes back for generations. And you can think anything you want to think. And as you think, you build ideas. There's a power that's flowing into your consciousness. It never stops. It flows to and through you.
As we reach the conclusion of our journey into the world of the law of attraction, we hope that you now have a greater understanding of this mysterious force and the practical steps you can take to harness its power. By applying these principles, you can become a magnet for health, wealth, and success. The path to transformation is before you. All you have to do is take the first step.
How many times have you had this really incredible idea and you took it to your family and your friends? You shared it with them and they shot it down. You know why they shot it down? Because they couldn't see it. Your real life is in your imagination. I'm here to tell you that.
In the comments below, affirm your commitment to this journey by declaring, "I am a magnet for health, wealth, and success."